Alright, recording started. Goggles is connected too. Yep, perfect. So guys, what I'm doing is I'm testing my version 4 of my battery strapless mount. Oh, it's wet. It's snow is melting. something is really wrong, guys, with the quad. Something's really wrong here, guys. I flipped out in the air, so something's really wrong, guys. Something's really wrong with this quad. I hate it. So it's not reliable anymore. This quad is not reliable anymore. That's crap. I'm not sure, guys. Wires are still good. I think it's the number 4 motor. Number 3, sorry. So, yeah, guys, I'm really upset. I'm really upset, guys. I'm really upset. I'm really upset, guys. I'm really upset. Yeah, so the quad crashed hard on the street. Okay. Wow, all the nothing broke. It just flip, or what do you call, what's that thing called, guys? This looks like the sync, so it looks like my ESC is really bad. Yeah, ESC number 3, crap. I hate it, guys. I hate it. So yeah, oh my god, that's annoying, guys. Ouch. I'm trying to remove I can't remove the neutral density filter. The TP is extremely hard right now because of the weather. It's sleeping. Yeah, it's a polycarbonate neutral density filter that I'm trying to remove. There you go. Yeah, this is the, see, it's plastic. Alrighty, guys, I'm quite upset that this quad, it's still not good. That crashed the other day, okay, that where snow went into the flight controller, most likely have damaged the ESC. And yeah, it's just desyncing now. Yeah, we just flipped, we just did a roll, and there was a car. Oh my god, glad I didn't hit the car. Yeah, oh my god.